It is a pleasure to present to you Productos Polo. Com, a leading company in the water treatment sector since 1990. Our journey began in Monterrey, where we specialized in providing services and preventive maintenance programs for reverse osmosis equipment used in the local industry. In 1998, we founded Productos Polo S.A. de C.V. with the aim of offering water treatment solutions to the Mexican industry. At Productos Polo. Com, we take pride in maintaining a wide and up-to-date inventory of the best products available in the market, ready for immediate delivery in commercial and institutional systems. Our mission is to be a highly socially responsible company, constantly striving for excellence. We have a highly skilled team ready to efficiently and effectively meet the operational needs of our clients. We would love the opportunity to meet in person and present you with a detailed overview of our water treatment solutions. We are confident that Productos Polo. Com can offer you the best options to meet your requirements. Please do not hesitate to contact us to schedule a meeting or for any additional inquiries. We look forward to establishing a successful and lasting business relationship.